Hey everyone, I'm back with my new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about influencers and influencer marketing. So if you don't know about it and how you blindly trust on them for their products and services whatever they promote on their social media accounts, so make sure that you watch this video till the end, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel, otherwise you don't get any future notifications when I upload any kind of video related to your knowledge and for your beneficials. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe and like this video. So get started. Okay, so what is influence? Who is influencers? Influencers are those people who already have a lot of huge fan followings on social medias for their whatever doesn't matter how they have gained that much of fan followings. Either it can be they provide you content, useful content for your all tech related contents, useful contents that provides you, and in return you gives them a fan following. You like their videos, they you people follow them and all, but it's okay. You follow them, it's totally okay because they gives you something in return. Okay, but if you follow them blindly, okay, if you follow them blindly whenever they promote any product or services, so I will say just that don't follow them blindly, because they are it's okay. Some products or services could be useful for you all, and some products could be harmful for you, but lots of influencers don't think about you. They just see, I will say that don't follow them blindly. You follow them for their content, what they actually providing you of useful content. On the basis of that you are following them, you build trust with them, but it couldn't means na that you trust on their product and services too, whatever they promote on their channels, on their social media channels. Okay, so make sure use your brain, your education, and consult with your colleagues and all. So make sure that you consult with your colleagues, friends, relatives to know about that product or services whatever they are promoting before buying that things. Okay, so influencer marketing is spreading a lot in today's social media, in on which social medias are people are spending a lot of time on social media, and wherever we people started spending time on any platform, the advertisers already reach that place before you people, as I can say, because I am a digital marketer and I am able to understand these things. So at the end of this video I just tell you one thing, that don't trust any influencer blindly, because they are promoting their products just for a particular fees that they generally take from the companies which are promoting their products or services. Okay, and their that fees could be 1 crore, 2 crore, 10 crore, or 50 lakh, matlab whatever it could be according to the company size. Okay, so make sure that you, before buying a product, make sure that consult with your friends, colleagues, relatives, everyone whom you trust on before buying that product, and then go and buy that product. Until don't buy it, because they just for a particular fee they are doing and all, and they don't think a single time for you people, you, for their fan followings, whether that product or services will be useful for them or not. They never think a single time, guys, because money is everything, as you all know. Okay, so use your brain, your knowledge, whatever you have gained till now, guys. Because education का मतलब ये नहीं है कि that just take a degree and do a job. No, you have to be, you could be think that much that you can take a good decision for yourself. Okay, so मिलते हैं हम तब तक अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Don't forget to subscribe this video and hit the bell icon, otherwise you won't get any kind of future notifications whenever I will upload any kind of video on my channel. Bye bye, take care.